Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and today's video is going to be a CapCut video editing full course for beginners 2026, a beginner's guide. All right guys, so welcome back. You want to edit professional looking videos without using complicated software. In this beginner course, I'll show you how to edit videos using CapCut step by step. All right, so let's get into it. Your first step is knowing where you can download CapCut. So you can simply get CapCut from your browser. You can get it on desktop. You can get it on mobile. You can also get it on the web, which is the website we're currently on. All you needed to do, all you need to do is just simply search for CapCut. Simply click on this link here, and you'd be taken to the CapCut install page. So you can simply install CapCut setup by just clicking on download, and the download will begin automatically. All right, so once the download is done and concluded, all you need to do is just head over to your File Explorer, and then on the File Explorer, just simply double click on the CapCut installer, and it's gonna go ahead and install the CapCut for you. All right, so once you've installed CapCut, it basically looks like this. This is just what CapCut looks like. This is the latest version. You can also get it from the Microsoft Play Store. From the Microsoft Store, it's rather easy to get. Just simply type in CapCut and you've gotten it. All right, so once you have done this, what are the next things you need to understand about the CapCut application? So you're going to be knowing a few things like how you can create your project. So a project is basically what you're going to be working on. It's going to create a canvas where you can simply edit your videos, add images, compress, add subtitles, and the whole lot. So to do this, just go ahead and click on create project. Once you have created a project, you're going to be able to import videos, photos, and even audios. So as you can see here, we have the import materials. Just click on import to import, click on next, and then drag the materials to the timeline to start editing. And then when you click on next again, we also have the effects, so you can click on effects and actually add effects to your video. Click on next again, and you can now play it here to preview your video. Click on next, and then once you're done, you can export. So basically it has run down the entire CapCut course, but I'm going to be talking about some of these things in detail. So we have a video currently here. We have a video on CapCut. All you need to do is just play it. Okay, so it seems like this is just the effect. You're going to have to manually add a video if you want to work with it. So you can do this by holding and dragging the example video down here in order to add it. As you can see, we have successfully added this video to our CapCut. Now you could simply drag this bar here to simply move the cursor around for the effects. All right. So once you're done importing, you can also trim your clips by dragging the edges. So you can hold this and drag it to reduce the clip. As you can see, it went from over 4 minutes or 5 minutes down to 3. And then you can also rearrange your clips. So if you have more than one clip, you can actually add it to. All right, so you can also take advantage of the edits like the split tool. So there are tools you can actually take advantage of that are cutting and editing tools. You can simply use the control key and B to simply split. As you can see now, we have two separate medias here. And then you can also just click on the delete option to simply remove the other section of the clip. You can just simply do that, as well as using the the undo clip to simply the undo key or tool to simply undo any changes you've made so far, so you can undo any mistakes you have made on your video. All right, so you can also crop. Yes, you can actually crop your video. All you need to do is just select the video you want to crop, and then once you have selected it, just go ahead and click on the crop tool, and then you can now simply use this to simply drag over to where you want it to be cropped at. And then once you're done, click and confirm. All right, so that is one of the tools. And then another thing you can do is to add text. So adding text is quite easy. Where we have media, just go ahead and select text at the top of your screen here. Once you have selected text, just go ahead and click on default text. So click on the plus to simply add a default text, and we have added a default text. All right, so all you need to do to add the text to your video is just hold it and drag it to the bottom so it can become editable. Now, once you've added it to your video, just go ahead and double click on it, and then you can edit the context of the text. So just simply enter what you want to enter on the text, and voila. All right, so once you're done, you can also add effects. Just head over to the effects menu, and then you can add effects like a zoom lens, a mini zoom, different kind of effects from the trending to New Year's to new effects entirely. You can even add transitions. You can add captions. You can include filters, and if you click a bit more, you can also use the AI features from CapCut, as well as adding stickers. So you can add stickers like a thumbs up or a subscribe if you're running a YouTube channel, things of that nature. All right, so once you're done, how can you get your video out of CapCut? Go ahead and click on export at the top right corner, and then where we have resolution, go ahead and select what resolution you want it in. If you want it in 1080p, 8K, 4K, it can generate up to that level, and then scroll a bit more and click on export, and you should get your video out of CapCut. All right, guys, so that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thank you.